Hey there, bestie. We are back at it again with another Crafts to Go with the National City Public Library. So, you know the drill. Snap one up before it's too late. Alright, let's get started. So, for today, we are doing a boondoggle. Now, you're probably asking yourself, what the heck is a boondoggle? You know what? Let's look it up. I don't really work or activity that is wasteful or...
Bruh.
Oh, the shade of it all. No, that's not what we're doing today, bestie. Let's look that up again, because that's not it. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're doing today. Those keychains, okay? Okay, so this is how you start. You make the cross, right? And then from the bottom half of the purple, you pull over to the top. And then from the right to the left, the pink string. And then the other purple that was on top, you're going to pull it down over the two pink strings now. That's on the left, right? And then the other pink, you're going to pull over the purple string on the bottom and into the loop of the previous one. Simple enough, right? Again, let's do it again. So here, you have a cross to begin with. Bottom to the top, right? And then pink to the left, okay? And then purple to the bottom. And then pink, that bottom pink one, over and into the loop of the two purple strings. And then just pull it tight and you should have that first knot. The first couple times probably going to be tricky because it was, trust me, it didn't take me one try. So just stick with it and keep trying, and I totally believe in you, Bessie, so just, you got this, okay? So after you make that first knot, you're going to just tighten it up, and then you're going to turn it over, and there should be like a diagonal on the other side, and that's where you're going to loop the keychain ring. And so just don't do it too tight so that this part will be easy. And you just loop it, and that'll be where it's going to be connected. And just loop it in, and then you're going to turn it over again after you tighten it, and then you're going to do the knots all over again. So it's basically the same knot over and over. That's why once you get a hold of it, once you get a hang of it, you're good. You're good to go. But you're just going to keep doing that until you get to the end of the boondoggle. Alright, so let's speed this up a bit because Mr. Ed is turning into Grandpa Ed. Okay, so here we go. Let's speed it up. BTW, did you know that there's a craft area in the children's and also in the teen adult section where we have a craft out every week? So in addition to the crafts to go, you should totally check those out. Boondoggle fun fact. In the 1920s, Robert Link, a scoutmaster for the Boy Scouts of America, apparently coined the word to name the braided leather cords made and worn by the scouts. The word came to prominence when such a boondoggle was presented to the Prince of Wales at the 1929 World Jamboree, and it's been with us ever since. Okay, Queen, well, back to our boondoggle. All you gotta do is tie up the loose ends, and that's pretty much it. You got yourself a boondoggle. Like I said, swing by the National City Public Library and get one of the kits, because they're probably gonna go quick. Alright, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye.